Hello everybody. This video is an overview of this ISTEP sample problem that we're going to be doing on now what is day 2 of my subplan. And this lesson actually addresses some common misconceptions that we have about areas and volumes. So let's suppose, for instance, that we say that the sides of a shape are twice as big. Does that mean, for instance, that the area and the volume are twice as big? So think about that answer for a minute. So it turns out that they are mixed. And what I want you to do is write down a formula for area of a square and area of a rectangle. See if you can remember that. And then instead of area of a cube or area of a rectangular prism, change it to volume instead. So we're going to go ahead and edit that and say volume of a cube and volume of rectangular prism. I also want you to remember what the term ratio means and what the word similar means. So case 1, you're just going to look at the particular side length, and you're going to be comparing the ratio of the side length to the previous row in this column. So like for instance 2 to 1, you would put 2, 4 to 2, you would put 2 over here. You're also going to compute the area of the square with that side length, and then you're going to look at the ratios of the areas. And you are welcome to draw a picture too on the side. And I want you to be able to come up with a general rule. Case 2, we're looking at volumes. So remember, volumes is s cubed instead of s squared. And you're going to do something similar but with volumes instead. And I want you to come up with a general rule about doubling the side length and seeing what happens when you come up with the volume. And feel free to discuss this problem together as a class. This problem, though, is the ISTEP sample problem, and I have a more worked out, detailed explanation on the next video that you will be able to see. So we will go over that together. And then I have some questions for you guys to think about. So I would like you to kind of work together in table partners for a few minutes and talk about these questions. So I wanted to do this lesson so you could kind of see the ratios and the areas and the volumes put together. And it doesn't have to be 100% correct the first time, but I would like you to have the experience of thinking this way, as it will be helpful for the ISTEP or the SAT or the ACT. Have a good day. Bye-bye.